swear to God, he wasn't driving. At the reasonable distance.
Like, I'm gonna just stay there and don't touch anything.
They would be fighting. No, it was cold. I drive away from the gas station. I get the storage shed.
That's how.
I just try to drive fast. I've been on those, and I just take my foot right off the
Thank you. Just see if you found it. This is driving away from you.
For any reason, other person can also show that stick is
So it sounds like you flew some helicopters, huh?
No, my Uncle Jerry did. I'm just.
So you got to ride with them, use the controls?
No, I never got to fly in a helicopter with Uncle Jerry. I flew in a Cessna with Uncle Jerry, but he never had a helicopter that he actually owned or co-owned.
Civilian.
But my autism and everything that I have, I retained everything that Jerry told me.
Oh, I see.
And technically I could fly that helicopter.
Wow.
But you know, because I can remember how the controls work.
Oh, okay, sure.
But am I trained as a helicopter pilot? No, I'm not.
Yeah, okay.
I wish.
Yeah.
I would love to have my own Airwolf. That's the ultimate dream for me. But I'm not so lucky.
No.
Maybe when I get up into heaven, maybe I'll have one waiting for me. You never know.
Exactly.
But then I can cruise up in heaven. But when I'm down here, unless I hit the lottery, it ain't gonna happen. And
No.
to have my own Airwolf, it cost me probably close to $4 to $5 million anyway.
Gee.
Well, he said this one's 2, so
Yeah,
and the
right.
Bell 222 is a lot older, or a Bell 430 would work. But like the Michigan State Police, if you go online and look at them, theirs is a Bell 430, which is the upgrade to Airwolf.
Oh, okay.
It's the same company, Bell, but it's a Bell 430.
Okay.
Survival Flight also had a Bell 430 until they went to the new one. We still call it Airwolf, but it's cool. But it's the new Airwolf. It's not, it's not the old. That's why I just teased him a minute ago and said, well, hey, is there any way you could name it the Lady?
Oh.
And he loved that.
He's got the beacon on.
Yeah. Right now, he's doing all the pre-flight checks.
Yeah.
That's what he's doing. He has to check all the gauges. He has to make sure the fuel pumps are on, all registering. It's a whole checklist that he has to go through.